Okay, so in Microsoft Excel, you might sometimes want to rearrange your columns. So what you do is you highlight the column you want to move, and then as you move the cursor over to the edge of the column, your cursor will change into a little white glove. Now, if you now click and hold, the glove will grip onto. See, it's grabbing the column, and then you just drag across to a new area, and then let go, and the column's moved. Now, if I move that column over, if I click and hold and drag this column over to a column that's already got data entered, it will alert me. It will say, you're about to delete this column and replace it with the one that you've just moved. Is that okay? Of course, I don't want to delete anything, so cancel. So to solve this problem, as you move the cursor over, press Shift and then click and hold. Oh, press Shift and then click and hold. And now as you drag, the highlighted area that you're going to move to is kind of in between the columns now. Oh, and there we go. I've just moved it. And there you go.